we are expected to divide 10101 by 111, both numbers in base 2. And we expect to leave the answer also in that same base 2. All right. The normal response to this question is to change the basis of these two numbers to base 10, after which the division is smoothly done, and then converting back to the original base 2. This will be right. But then realizing that this is base 2, we can adopt an approach without converting to base 10. Because the only acceptable digits here are 0 and 1. So when the division is possible, the answer would be no other digits but 1. Let's get into the solution. Right. Now we set it up. The number to be divided, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Divided by 1, 1, 1. Both numbers in base 2. Now, let us compare the 3 digits because the divisor has 3 digits. 1, 2, and of course 3. So we want to compare this to the first 3 digits in this number. And of course, because of the middle 0, we see that 111 is actually greater than 101, and the division will not be possible in this case. Therefore, we must add the 4th digit. So we're going to have to divide 111 into 1010. And because it is possible, there can only be one answer, and that is 1. 1 times 111 would then be 1, 1, 1. Notice the alignment from the right end of the number. Now the subtraction. So 0 minus 1 cannot happen. We have to borrow this one. On borrowing this one, it becomes the base of the number, base 2. Base 2. Borrow this one, it becomes base 2. That base 2 is imposed on this 0 to form 2. And now 2 can subtract 1. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. This one has been borrowed. So 0 cannot subtract 1. We have to go borrowing from here. Borrow 1 from here. That 1 becomes, borrow 1 from there. That 1 becomes the base 2. And now that 2 imposed on this 0 gives a 2. We have to borrow 1 from that 2, leaving 1 behind. And the 1 borrowed becomes the base 2 on this 1. Now 2 can subtract 1. 2 minus 1 has to be 1. And of course, this is 1. 1 minus 1 gives a 0, which we do not necessarily have to write. Bring down, therefore, the next digit. That digit, last one there, has to be brought down to give 1 in the same base. And now 111 can divide into 111 to give 1. 1 multiplied by 111, 1, 1, 1, showing us this is a perfect division, no remainder. And therefore, our final answer will be written 1, 1, written to base 2. Very simple. And that will be the option B right there. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes that you can take to test your understanding of the content of this video. Please take the test and then click on your answer. Next, there is the link in the pinned comment that takes you to a full test on number basis. Please click on the link and take the test on number basis to test your mastery and understanding of the topic. And finally, there is another link in the pinned comment that takes you to the full presentation of the topic number basis for your studies. Thank you for being part of this session. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed.